clearly?
Ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Answer.
Good morning, ma'am.
After all this dancing, do you want to drink some water and come?
Not any class, बच्चा क्या हुआ?
Do you all want to drink some water? Yes? No?
Yes. I don't
Yeah,
want
So drink some water and come very fast, okay? 2 minutes.
to drink the water. Because I drank already. Ma'am, is it a break?
It's not a break because we are already late, but you can drink water or you can use a washroom if you want. Come in 2 minutes. Okay? Go and come very fast.
I already drank, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, then it's fine.
So all are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Thumbs up?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, so do you all know me? Any of you all?
Yes,
Yes, you know me. Yes. Okay, some of you all know me. For the others, I will show you my profile. Okay.
Wait,
Can you all see this? Are you able to see this?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
So my name is Jinsi Babu.
Jinsi Babu.
Okay. And there is Limnesh sir there. Can you all see him? He's there.
Yes, ma'am. We already saw him.
Okay. So this is what we are. This is our profile. Okay. It says a lot about us. Like we are street artists, we are muralists, we do experiments also. So I will not go into this details. I'll show you the rest. So we hold a Guinness record. It was back in 2012. It's one of our Guinness records. We hold multiple Guinness records. Okay.
मैम ने अपना बैग दिखाया पे लिखा था 3D.
Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, did you do it?
It's actually done by Limnesh sir. It was done by a team of people. It was completed in 4 hours and this was as big as a football stadium. Okay. And then this was again another Guinness record. This was done in USA, Florida. It was a very long one. It was 400 meters into 50 meters. You can read it all later. If you're interested, I will send it to you. Okay. I'm keeping your mics on because I would like to hear your response, but otherwise you all have to be silent.
Wow.
You can
You
see
have
us
to be
sitting.
silent.
Yeah, you can see us sitting there on the painting.
Can you all see us sitting here?
Table है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no.
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
So this is another Guinness record. This was the largest chalk painting. It's done completely by chalk. I'll teach you all how to do it. Okay. This was in association with the United Nations. And these are some of the events we have participated in. We have been featured artists for multiple events. I think all are here, yeah, in 2020. This was the last event. After that, we couldn't go, the lockdown started.
Germany, USA, Netherlands, USA, Italy, France.
Oh, you all want to read it? Okay. It's like Germany, USA, Netherlands, yeah, Italy, France, everything.
कौन सी कंट्री में पार्टिसिपेट किया है इनने?
बहुत सारे countries में participate किए. I'll change the screen now. We don't have much time, right?
Yes, start.
So this is Trendicular painting. If you've seen a session, there is one session for Trendicular painting. Limnesh sir has invented that particular form of art and he will be taking that session, okay? And he will go into those details later. And these are the 3D painting workshops. I'll go into details about this too. These are some of our previous paintings. This was part of a long trip, it was a 75 days trip in India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. It was in 2014. Did you all like these paintings?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That
was very nice.
Okay. This is a coffee mosaic. This is not a painting, you know. It's done by arranging coffee cups like this. Can you see this? Here there are two small pics of coffee cups being arranged. Do you recognize this man?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Yes, Sachin Tendulkar, exactly. And this is again about 3D state art, the total thing. And there are then some paintings. Okay, so now maybe I should mute you all. Is it fine? I'll mute you all now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From where?
If you want to tell me anything, you can raise your hand or send me a message, okay? Limnesh sir will be unmuted. Can you hear me?
Yes, I
Okay,
can.
so I'll start. Yeah. So again, a very good morning. Now, since you have seen my profile, I will show you exactly what kind of painting we do. Okay. Do you all like painting? Do you all like doing painting? Yes. Do this way that I can understand.
I love doing.
Okay, nice. Yeah. So let me show you something. Not this.
Ma'am, we can't see it.
You can't see?
Now we can see.
Limnesh sir, can you see it?
Ma'am, we can see.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to play a video. You all look at it very carefully. Maybe I'll ask you all some questions over it. Okay? Ready? Okay.
Ma'am, we can't see the video.
We cannot see the video.
You can't see the video?
No.
Okay. Now?
No, no. Okay.
Cannot see the video.
Is it getting stuck or something? How is it being played?
Ma'am,
No,
I can
only
only
the
see
phone.
your phone. Ma'am, we can't see the video. We can only see the file. I can see your folder. Then if you press the video, it's stuck already. We can't even see the video.
Ma'am, you can press it
Oh.
2 times, try.
No.
Okay, the
Stop
video is
sharing.
being played. Yeah?
Open
Okay.
the video. Stop sharing, and then share it once again.
So I've stopped the video. I'm trying to share it again.
Okay.
see
Now we
now?
can see. Now we can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
See it carefully. Yeah? What does it look like? Any idea?
Like
Water, it's standing on a wall.
pool. It looks like a water. The video is getting stuck. It just keeps getting stuck in.
It's because you know it's being the video being played, not so like maybe the net connection issues. But at least you can see it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Looks like water.
Yeah. So he couldn't get into the car, na poor fellow.
Mhm.
Look at this. This is very interesting.
The before one looks like a log.
Oh yes. Now it's a fourth painting.
Like a table.
Chair. Like a stool, right?
ये देखना आपको chair.
Chair. Kind of a chair. Oh, he fell. Okay. 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 So, did you all see the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you all can unmute yourself. Huh? You can talk to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all like it?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you understand? Like,
Ma'am, it was little
3D
fun.
drawings.
There were some paintings which
They
were
were
real.
pranking him.
Ma'am, it looked like some paintings are real.
And the 3D art.
Exactly. So you all saw 4 type of works there, right?
Yes.
How was the first one drawn?
With chalk.
First
Car one.
Car.
Yes. Car in
Did you all
the
notice a very big difference in there?
under it.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat
Now
the
quiet,
question?
quiet. Just quiet, just listen to me. Okay. In the first one, if you notice, there was no canvas. There was nothing. It was drawn directly on the roads, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, have you all drawn on the roads? Do you all have permission to do it?
No.
So, usually, where do you all paint? You all paint on a piece of paper, or you all paint on your boards, canvas boards, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, that particular form of art is done completely on the road. So, you all would like to know now what it's called basically? Yes. Okay. The second painting was done on steps. Have you seen paintings on steps?
No.
No. Yeah. The third one was there. I don't know if you all have seen it. There was a wall painting, a door made on a wall. Have you all seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the video was getting
Steps made on
stuck,
the
so I was
wall.
not sure if it's.
Yeah.
And then the fourth one. What was the fourth one? Fourth one you all saw clearly, right?
Wall painting for the
No, the fourth one was the
table.
cake.
I couldn't
Yes.
see. Okay.
Exactly.
And the last one for
So,
cake.
sorry. Okay, so you all have lots of idea what's happening here, right? Okay. So basically, the form of art I'm going to teach you all gives you a lot of freedom. It doesn't limit you to your canvas or to your page or to your book or anything. Okay? Every surface is like your canvas. That is exactly the large area of painting we are going to learn now. Since we have just 12 sessions with you all, we'll be getting into an introduction where I'll be showing you about different forms of art. Okay? Are you all interested in it?
Yes, ma'am. Can you also draw today?
You will have some work to do today, but today we'll start with some introductions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, basically what I showed you, all those forms of art, they fall in one particular category. I'll again show you what exactly it is. 1 second. Limnish, can you start with anamorphous?
Yep.
Ma'am, it's again stuck.
The presentation
Can you
we
see
cannot
this?
Yes.
see. No, the presentation we cannot see.
Ma'am, I can see your files.
Okay.
Now you all can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it on a presentation? Yeah. Present it.
1 second. Just making the spotlight video. Yes, you are the spotlight video now. And
Ma'am,
yeah.
Tanisha can't see.
Who can see? Can everyone see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Nish, are you there?
Tanisha can't.
What happened?
Can you all see?
Ma'am, I can see, but Tanisha can't see. Tanisha can't see, ma'am.
What happened with Tanisha? Is there any issue?
Who is Tanisha? Why you can't see? Maybe you can't see.
Ma'am, now I can see.
Oh, you
okay.
can see. Okay. So can start now?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So he will start. Okay.
Okay. So basically in drawings and paintings, we are focusing on three categories. One is the street art, one is anamorphic art, and one is chalk or pastel art. Okay. So I don't know how much you will understand this, but then before starting, we need to have an introduction. So that's the reason why we are telling about this. Okay. Yeah. So anamorphic art is something which where the painting is not done specifically on a regular surface, and it will be done in such a way that the viewer can see it not exactly as how you draw, but in a different way, like 3D art. When you see 3D art, it is done in a different way than the regularly what we used to draw. If you want to draw, let's say if you want to draw a cat, okay, normally how you draw? You will draw its head the same size as of a cat, then you will draw its body as the same size of a cat, and tail, etc. But here, when it comes to anamorphic art, maybe you have to draw the head very large size, tail very small size, then body smaller, even smaller, so something like that. So you have to do it in a different scale, so that, but the output you will be able to see a realistic cat. So that is what the anamorphic art is. You will not understand it right now, but you will understand it later. Now there is another category which is called street art. Street art means okay, Jinsi, can you explain about street art?
Exactly, you know, like what you have seen in your paintings. Street art is a very wide area. Okay. Have you all seen graffitis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Do you all know what graffitis are?
Yes,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Drawing it.
Yeah, the drawings done on walls,
No,
or you know, like
ma'am.
if you're passing by a train in European countries, you'll actually see graffitis on both the sides. It's not actually permitted here, but if you're traveling in US or Europe, it's very common. Even in India, it's common, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but I have not seen it.
You know, when it's illegal, people put mask and come with spray cans and do it. Have you all seen it? In movies and all? Yeah. So that is graffiti. Graffiti falls
No,
under street art.
ma'am.
It's okay if you're not seeing it also, it's okay. So that is
You
one
can
form
Google
of
it.
street
Yeah.
art. Yeah, you
Once
can
you
Google
finish,
it.
Google it. You can Google it.
Then there is murals. Murals are again done on the wall. Okay. So any form of art that gives you the freedom to do it on the street or on a pavement is called street art. It has a lot of varieties, not just graffitis and murals. It has 2D paintings, which we'll be looking at. It is also called as Madhonari painting. Okay. There is moss art. There is sticker street art. There is 3D painting. Okay. When you talk about 3D painting, it falls under all these categories. You know why? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, when you talk about 3D painting or when you talk about 3D chalk art, it falls under all this category. The main reason is how it's linked to street art. You do it on the streets, right? Large scale 3D painting like the ones I showed you before.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And then there is anamorphic stretching in it to make it look real, which is called 3D, three-dimensional. You have to make it real, like the stool you have seen, or like the steps, the painting on the steps and like on the walls, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, and it's done with chalk basically. 3D painting is an ephemeral painting. It doesn't last long. You all know the word
Ma'am, you
ephemeral.
can't do it with paint.
Yeah. Tell me. Okay. What I'll do is, I'll stop this share and I'll show you some paintings so that you will understand what 3D painting is. Okay. I'll stop this share here and I'll try to include some.
Ma'am, you can't do
Can you
it.
see this now?
Yes, ma'am.
What does it look like?
Shark.
Shark. And what is the shark trying to do?
To eat the bottle person. Eat the
It's trying to
people.
grab the people and it's trying to eat the people. Do you all know where it is drawn, on what kind of surface it's drawn?
On the
Walls.
Exactly.
The walls.
Can you all see my cursor? Can you all see my cursor movements?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from here, from this part where the shark's head is, that is one wall, one side of a wall. Okay. This bottle is on another side of the wall. See, if you can see closely, there is a mark here in between. Can you see this?
Yes.
Ma'am.
It's two separate walls. And then I have again used the floor. Can you see this floor marking?
Yes.
So basically this painting is done on two walls and one floor. That is how you create this 3D impression. That is why it is looking real. That is what is that anamorphosis which sir told you about. Okay. In simple ways. Again, I'll show you another image. Now, what does this look like?
Looks like the person is inside a jar.
It looks like I'm inside the bottle. Someone closed me inside the bottle, right?
Yes.
How did this happen?
Ma'am, it's a painting, 3D art.
Exactly. This is what 3D art is.
Front of the painting.
Again, this 3D painting is done on two surfaces. Can anyone tell me what these two surfaces are?
Ma'am, on one side of the wall and on the floor.
Beautiful. Who was that? I didn't see you. Who was that?
Akshita.
Yeah, Akshita, that's very correct. This is the wall and this is the floor. Beautiful. So you all are getting it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all excited to learn about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now guess this one. How many walls and floors are there in this?
Two. Ma'am, one.
What? Okay.
Floor. Ma'am, it's a
Ma'am, the one of the floor and here is the wall over here.
Where is the wall? Where is the wall? Which part of the painting do you all think is a wall?
It's a floor, ma'am.
Yeah, that was correct. That was correct. This is completely done on a floor. Okay. Let's see another one. What about this one?
Ma'am, this is floor.
This is floor. Beautiful. You all are getting it very clearly now.
Road.
What about this one?
Ma'am, this is a wall and a floor. Ma'am, wall.
Now you all know more than me. Now you all can teach me.
Ma'am, wall and the floor.
Correct. It's wall and the floor. Correct. Exactly. It's wall and the floor. Okay. Now, do you all want to see more paintings? I will just rush out to the rest.
Yes.
Yes.
How's this?
Floor.
Completely on the floor.
Okay. Yes, it's completely on the floor. Yes. And then the next one.
This is on the floor.
Ma'am, this is completely on the floor.
Yeah. And you all know one thing about this painting? All these kids are of the same size and almost the same age. Do they look like that? The one on top looks very young, right?
They're standing
He looks very small also, right?
Away from the chalk piece.
They're standing very far.
Yeah, because he's standing very far. That is called perspectives.
Ma'am, how do you draw this?
We'll give him a time. I think Limne sir wants to say something. I'll just listen to him.
Can you open the other folder and show them any of maybe this painting, other views,
Fine.
how we started the painting, and it's on the
Just listen. Yeah, fine. Okay, I'll show you that.
on the desktop. Yeah, painting session. Yeah, sample.
This one?
No, yeah.
I think it's the third
Yeah,
one.
no, third one. Yeah, this one. Yeah,
This one, right?
yeah. Just
So
show.
just go through here.
Yeah, you can see how we started and how
Okay, we started like this, just with some sketching, some scribblings. Can you see the size? It's getting formed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my reference marks? I made a lot of reference marks here.
Yes, ma'am.
You all know I got first for this. I won the first prize for this, not just me, me and Limnish. So what does this look like?
It looks like you are standing on one of the block very far, and the uncle is holding you.
You kids are very smart, you know. I was trying to prank you saying that I became a dwarf that time. I couldn't prank you. You all know it very well.
Ma'am, due to perspective.
Beautiful. You can even know that. Beautiful.
Ma'am.
Yeah. This is like the size of the painting. You know, I started from here. It's almost till this end. The entire size.
and show them.
Yeah, I'm trying to show the opposite side. We don't have the opposite side view here.
Okay, so I think it's available for other.
It's here, I think. Is there the opposite side view here? No. So I'll show you with another painting. Okay, 1 second. So this is a final painting. Okay. Do you all want to see the opposite side?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is the other side of the painting. Can you all see it's drawn in a very elongated form? Like it's dragged and drawn?
Yes, ma'am. The body and the vehicle look small, but the things like the handle in the vehicle and the boy's face is long.
Yeah, just show them the face on which you are sitting, like other. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Can you see how it's drawn?
Yes, ma'am. It looks like long.
And can you realize I'm sitting on the road?
Yes, we are sitting on the road.
Yeah. See, this is how I'm drawing it.
That's a nice wheel.
Okay. So I saw this. Let me just see if I can show you something else which is interesting. We'll get back to these rest of the paintings later. Okay. So are you all interested to learn this type of work?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, today are we going to draw something?
Of course, yes. I'll make you do something in order to start with this painting. So before that, I would like to know your names, and you know, there are too many of you all. One second. I will start with this participant list. There is Hiral Joshi. Hiral?
Yes, ma'am.
You're Hiral? So how old are you, Hiral? 5 years old.
Yes.
Okay. Do you all like painting?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. Then there is Naniha. Yeah. So how old are you? Like Naniha? Is Naniha here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Naniha, how old are you? Do you like painting?
Yes, ma'am. I like painting. I am 8 years old.
Okay. Tanisha,
Yes, ma'am.
how old are you?
7 years old, ma'am.
Do you like painting?
Yes, ma'am. Very much.
Oh, we'll start soon. Avni?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How old are you, dear?
Ma'am, I am 8 years old.
Okay. And do you like to paint?
I like to paint and I also like to draw.
Beautiful. Navisha?
Yes, teacher.
Hi dear, how old are you?
5.
5. Okay.
My birthday
And you
just
like to-
passed away.
Oh, belated happy birthday, dear. Do you like to paint?
Yes, a lot.
Oh, yeah, we'll start soon. Then Henin,
Yes, ma'am.
how old are you, dear?
12 years.
12 years. Okay. You like to paint?
Yes, a lot.
Okay. Beautiful. Parthi,
Yes, ma'am.
I already know you. What's your age?
Ma'am, 12.
12. Okay. I know you love to paint. Okay. Roshnima. Roshnima, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't. Yeah. Yeah, how old are you?
9 years old, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Sandrina, you like to paint, right? Okay. Sandrina? Okay. I'm not asking the rest of you. Just tell me how many of you all are older than 12? 12 years or older?
I'm going to be 13, ma'am.
Janani, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else is 12 years and older?
No, ma'am, 10.
Okay. Is there Arpita here?
I'm 10. I'm 14.
Okay. You're Shivanand. I can't see you, baby.
Arpita's brother Abhishek is here.
Abhishek. Okay. How old is Arpita or Abhishek? How old are you?
Arpita is not attending the class. Abhishek is 6 years.
6
years
years
old.
old.
No problem.
My birthday also passed away.
So there is like 2, 3, 4. Let us Henin, Parthi, Janani. Anyone else who's older than 12?
Ma'am, I'm younger than 12.
No problem, dear. Anyone older than 12? No, right? Okay. So the reason I asked you all for this is, Henin, Parthi and Janani, you all need to contact me because for you all, I'll make the curriculum a bit more tougher so that you can grasp a bit lot, like a bit more from this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we'll do is whenever I'm giving you all some paintings or some artworks to do, maybe I'll give you some extra homeworks and, to follow some extra like paintings so that you can get a deep knowledge of it. Okay. Follow in for it, right? It's not compulsory. It's not necessary you have to follow it. You can follow for the rest also. But since you all are older and you can grasp more, that's why I told you this. Okay.
Ma'am, but I'm 8 years old.
It's for Henin, Parthi and Janani. Who's that 8 years old?
Me.
Abhishek. It's not for Abhishek. Abhishek is 6, right? Who's 8 years old?
Akshita.
Akshita, no problem. You have a different curriculum to follow. Okay. So we'll start our work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me just see.
Starting.
I will have to. I'm not starting.
Starting.
Okay. So give me like 2 minutes. Okay.
All the things I need in that cover.
So keep your stuffs ready. I will need 2 canvas panels, just as I asked. Your black tempera, your white tempera.
Ma'am, what do you need? I mean, what do we
I
need?
will need your 2 canvas panels that I asked you all to buy. You'll have it, right?
Ma'am, what's
Keep
meaning
it ready.
of canvas? I don't have it.
I have to buy. I'll have it tomorrow.
Ma'am, I don't have the canvas.
Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. See, I'm going to show what I want you to do. I'm not going to start with any paintings today. There is some preparations to be done. That's exactly what I want you all to do today. So if you don't have this thing at hand, you can do it at evening also. Just look at what I'm doing, okay? Yeah. But keep your...
I don't know. I don't have the canvas.
Baby, you'll buy it in the evening, right?
No, ma'am. My father will come late to the office. He'll come at 7 or 8 o'clock.
Oh.
Instead, but I have chart paper.
Yeah, then she can try it on a chart paper also. No problem. You can prepare it on a chart paper.
I don't have a canvas panel. Can I get it in next class?
Yes, you can get the panel.
So you'll have your board.
Can you come here fast?
So you'll have your canvas boards. Keep your canvas panel 2 ready.
I don't have a canvas panel.
No problem. Those who don't have it can arrange it in the evening or by tomorrow's class.
Canvas palette.
Those who have it, keep your temperas, your brushes, your rollers. What happened, Pranav? Pranav, tell me what happened. I can't hear you, Pranav. Tell me.
Ma'am, if we don't have canvas,
Ma'am, I have it.
If you don't have a canvas panel now, you can use your chart paper. You have your chart paper.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have the canvas palette.
Yeah, you have the canvas panel. Done. So problem is over, right?
Yes.
So give me 2 minutes. We need to arrange something, okay?
Please, can someone open this? Me? At least you would open this for me.
Can you hear me?
Ma'am, can we just take the paper from the canvas palette? Take this paper.
Yeah. Yeah, wrap it out. Pull it out.
Ma'am, I don't have canvas.
You don't have canvas, you can use a chart paper, no issues. Okay. Can you see this video now? In which there is a table?
Yeah. No. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I can see it.
Okay.
See a picture. Oh, I can see it. I can see it.
Yeah. You can see it, correct? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a kind of canvas panel you all have. If you don't have it, you can buy it in the evening, no issues, okay? Correct? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So what we are going to do is, you all have temperas, whatever brand you have is okay. You all have tempera like this, black color ones, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I asked you all to buy glue. So did you all buy any type of glue? Buy glue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So take a cup like this, or like, you know, a ball, or like any sort of thing which is waste, like not what your mom uses in her kitchen, but ask her to give you a waste bowl or disposable bowl.
Amma painted in.
Ma'am, shall I go and take a bowl and come?
Yeah, you can go and take a bowl and come, no issues.
Ma'am, what will you put in the bowl? The white tempera or glue?
Don't do anything, just get your balls ready, get your rollers ready. Keep a cloth with you so that, you know, your hands don't get dirty, or wear gloves. Ready? Okay. So, I want you all to paint this canvas like this. This is after 1 to 2 coats. Can you see it's not perfect, right?
Ma'am, we have to.
I'll ask you all to start. Don't start just now. This is what is the finishing I'll get after 2 coats of painting. Okay. This is the finishing I get after 3 to 4 coats of painting, and still not perfect. It still requires one more coat of painting, correct? So what exactly you all are going to do is, can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I got this.
Different kind of canvas.
Are you all ready?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Who is not ready?
Ma'am, I want to just open this one.
Yeah, so you all just pull out the wrappers. The board you all will have a plastic coating like this. Just pull it out or ask your parents to help you to pull it out, okay?
I have a different kind of canvas.
What's your name, baby? Different kind of canvas. Who was it?
Avni.
Avini. Let me look at you.
Now we have to paint the canvas black.
Yeah, we are going to paint the canvas black, but we are not directly going to put the paint. Why? I'll tell you. Avini. There's Avini. Yeah. Avini, what happened?
Ma'am, I have a different kind of canvas.
Show me your canvas. Rest of you pull that wrapper out, okay?
It's the thick one.
That is okay, dear. So that in that you don't have any sheet to pull out. That's perfect. No issues. Okay. So what exactly you all are going to do is, in a bowl, take some water like this. Okay.
Ma'am,
so
can
the
I
funny
go
little-
and put water in my bowl?
Yeah, very little water. Okay, just bring 1 cup full of water and keep it beside you, because you don't need the entire thing in your working bowl. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So first I'll open my glue. I'll put a bit of glue first into this. I'll put very little water in it.
To use canvas frame instead of canvas panel. Is it okay to use the foam?
I'll give it a nice mix. First you're mixing the glue and the water. That's it. Only the glue and the
What
water.
did he say? I didn't heard you.
No problem. Baby, first take the glue. Put it in your bowl. Mixing
Ma'am, the
bowl.
water bowl or the working bowl?
The working bowl, dear. The working bowl. Put a little amount of glue in it and then put water and give it a nice mix.
This one we should cut the paper.
A little water, only a little water, not too
Yeah,
much.
just a little water.
Ma'am?
Yeah, tell me. I can hear you. Tell me.
Ma'am, is it fine to use foam, frame, canvas frame instead of...
What's your name?
Close it, put the glue.
Glue enough.
I'm actually his sister. I just want
Close
to put the glue.
Ma'am, is this much glue enough?
Yeah, who is this? Just name me, okay? Tell me your names whenever you're talking to me.
Teacher,
Who's that?
Mother's sister. I'm talking on behalf
What is your
of them.
username, baby? What have you logged in with? What is the name you have logged in with?
Ma'am, my name is Disha.
Madhav
Disha.
P5128. Madhav Pradeep P5128.
Okay, Disha, I have seen you. The glue is okay. Yeah, you put a bit of water and give it a mix. Disha, I have seen you. Yeah. Next is Madhav. I'm coming to Madhav. 1 second. Madhav, your video is not on. I can't see you at all.
Ma'am, can I do this painting in the evening?
Madhav, dear, you have to keep your video on or else I can't guide you. Madhav, Grishma, Janani, all have to keep your videos on if you need me to guide you.
Teacher.
Who's that, baby? What's your name?
Navisha.
Pratisha.
Navisha.
Navisha.
I don't have that brush.
It's okay. You have a small brush. You have any type of brush? Navisha, dear, you have any type of brush?
Yes, I have any type of brush.
Show me your brush.
Ma'am, my name is Akshita. I have put it glue in the cup. Then what we have to do, ma'am?
Put a bit of water. Take your brush. Give it a nice stir. Mix it well.
Ma'am, is this much glue okay?
Your name, baby?
Ma'am, Parthi.
Parthi. Okay.
brush.
Parthi, let me just check your video. There are too many kids. 1 second. Yeah, I got Parthi. Yeah. Parthi, show me.
Ma'am, is this
Okay,
much
just-
okay?
Yeah, that is fine. Put a bit of water and mix it well. You all know why I'm using glue? Have you all ever painted and used glue before?
Teacher,
Tell me.
today my father is going to buy the brush, so I only have these two big brushes.
So baby, what you have to do is, you see carefully now what I'm doing and get it ready at night and bring it tomorrow, okay? Yeah. Okay. After I have given it a nice mix, I'll take my tempera. I'll pour a good quantity of tempera. It's not like your poster colors. You have to pour a good quantity of it, okay?
Now we have to put the tempera. I can paint with these brushes.
Yeah. That is, again, I'm going through it. First, you will take a glue. You'll add a bit of water in it. 1 minute, baby, 1 minute. You'll give it a nice mix. Then you will put tempera into it like this. See, tempera is there. Again, I'm giving it a very nice mix. Use smaller brush you have.
Can you hold it?
Teacher, we have to put the tempera on the glue.
Yes. Into the glue and water mix. You know why? Can any one of you tell me why exactly I added glue in this?
So you can stick in the canvas.
Beautiful. There is one thing, unlike other paints, tempera doesn't have binder. That's the reason we use tempera on the floor. We can use tempera on the roads. Otherwise, the roads will get spoiled, right? This is liquid chalk.
Can we use canvas instead of canvas frame?
Yeah, of course you can use canvas. No problems with it.
Okay. Thank you.
Teacher.
But when you use canvas, when you do the chalk painting, chalk work, there will be some lines will be coming in between because the canvas frame lines. So that is the only issue. Otherwise, you can use it. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, tell me. Who is it?
Me, teacher.
Ayo, me. What's your name, me?
Navisha, I told you several times. It's okay if I paint with these brushes?
Yeah, it's okay if you paint with that brush. Do you have a roller, baby?
Yes,
roller?
I have a roller.
Yeah, so we are going to use a roller for painting. This is just for mixing.
I get the balls. I didn't get.
Okay, so we'll start.
Mom, wait, ma'am.
Yeah. Waiting. No problem. The time is getting over, so you have to do it a bit fast, or else I will show you now and you can do it later.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom, shall we paint it with this roller?
Roller.
This roller?
Yeah. See, I have a roller here. Mine is a used one, so it's a bit dirty. I have a roller here. Right? I have my paint ready here. I'll dip my roller into it. And I'll give it a nice stir like this. Okay. And then I'll start in this canvas. When you first apply it, you feel like it's not getting applied. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I got the balls.
You got the balls. Nice. So you can start now.
I saw one.
When I apply it first, you will feel like it's not getting well, it's not looking good, it's not getting applied. That's actually okay. Because as I told you, you will have to work for 3 to 4 times to get a nice finish over it.
Got 2 cups, one plain and one with water.
Yeah. So finish the canvas like this and I'm coming to just check on you all, okay?
To do it, first put glue and paint and water.
Finish the canvas like that. I'm going to check on you all. Vian, can you show me your board? B and Nayak. Yeah, so you start slowly, okay?
I don't know how to make that blue black thing.
I'm coming with, yeah, Vian, you can start. It's perfect. You mix the color first and then you start. Naniha, you're going
Spotlight.
good.
Yeah. Nancy, you can spotlight yourself.
Yeah. So you can see me. I'm going to check on each of your works, okay? Akshita, can you tilt your camera a bit so that I can see what you're doing?
I don't know how to make. But you showed me. I don't know how to make, teacher.
Yeah. Otherwise, just lift your canvas panel. Just lift your canvas panel. Let me see.
I didn't know how to make.
Baby, I'm coming to you. 1 second. 1 second. Let me see everyone's. Okay.
The mixture once again.
Is this okay?
Tanisha, it's beautiful. Ansila, again, I can't see your canvas panel. Just lift it up a bit. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Avini, lift up your canvas panel, dear.
Ma'am, can I do this in the evening?
You can surely do it in the evening, no issues. But finish it by tomorrow, okay? For tomorrow's class, we need the blackboard, the black canvas, okay? Yeah. Roshima, can you lift it? Can you show me what you're doing? Beautiful, dear. Touch the edges also, okay? Even if you touch the edges, just for now, and the second coat you're planning to touch it, it's okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat
Shaurya, what you're doing?
once again?
What happened, Shaurya? Your mic is muted, dear. Shaurya, your mic is muted. Can you unmute it?
What is?
Shaurya, dear, your mic is muted. Yeah. So what you're doing now? I think your film is also not taken. You know, just pull out that plastic film on it. You don't have color.
White glue.
Shaurya, are you telling me you don't have color?
I don't have roller.
Roller. You have a brush?
Yes.
Can you show me a brush? No brush. Okay, no problem. Kavish Binakar.
Hello, ma'am.
Can you lift your canvas frame a bit?
Hello, ma'am.
Kavish, can you lift it up?
Ma'am, my name is Akshita. Can you see my canvas?
Once again.
Akshita, I'm coming back. Akshita, yes, I can see your canvas. You're not filling the edges. Cover the edges. Stroke, you know, a long stroke. Don't go back and forth like this. Go for a long stroke. Long stroke. Akshita, you need to take a bit more color and a bit more water in it. That's spread out. Roller, you're Malayali? I don't think you're Malayali. Anyway, you roll it nicely, you know. Your roller should have a lot of color. Now it's only having color on one side. Akshita Balaji. No, you need more color. That's why that dot came in. Naniha has filled it. The ones who are done with one coating, wait, let it dry, then only start with the second coating. It will take around, 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry. Then only you have to start with the second coating, okay?
I finished coating.
Okay, 1 second. Is Junit here? Junit, should I stop the class now or can I continue for 5 more minutes? Yeah. Can I continue for 5 to 10 minutes more?
We'll wind up at 12:10.
12:10. Okay. I will just continue for 5 more minutes. Okay. So this is exactly what you'll have to do. Continue like this. After it has dried up, wait for it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Better if you leave for 30 minutes also.
It is like this. Ma'am, you paint it backward and frontward.
Who is it?
Ma'am, Chita, we have to paint it back side and front side.
I didn't get your name. What is your name?
Ma'am, Akshita.
Akshita, okay.
Ma'am, do we have to paint it in the back side and the front side?
Is there two Akshitas here? Akshita is Akshita Balaji?
Yes, ma'am. Akshita Balaji.
You're doing it correct, dear. Don't worry, just fill the edges, okay?
I'm saying, can we do in the backward and the front one, the back side
Just
and
move
the
it this
front
way.
side?
Just fill it this way,
need to-
okay?
no,
Like this way.
Only one side is enough. Only one side is enough.
I can't see the video of her. Okay.
Naturally, first I done.
Okay. So after you're done with one coat, wait for it to dry completely and start with the second coat. By the time you're done with the second coat, you will get almost this finish. Okay. Here I haven't actually used the glue, so that's why the finish is this way. Since you have used the glue, the finish will be more perfect. And then at the last, wait for another 30 minutes and do one more coat. And then your canvas board would be ready for tomorrow's work. So first, keep this board ready. This is what we need for tomorrow's session. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what we need for tomorrow's session. Now you all have one more work to do. Okay. Now this is the second panel you have. You have one more panel, right? I told you all to buy two.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the second panel you will have, you have to do the same procedure again, but with a white tempera.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Do you understand? In the second canvas, you have to do the same procedure again, but with the white tempera. That is, first you will take a ball. What you will put first? Blue. Exactly. So first I'll take my ball. I'll put the glue in it. I'll put some water in it. I'll give it a nice mix. Then I'll put the tempera in it. A good quantity. And then I'll fill my canvas one time with it. I'll wait it for drying. And then I'll put my second coat. So will you all be ready with both these canvases tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can do only one. No, we I will be ready with tomorrow. School or like camp. I have a doubt.
So keep your black canvas panels ready for tomorrow. Keep your white chalks ready. I want you all to have a normal white sheet that is like A4 size paper, just like this, a A4 paper. Your crayons or your oil pastels. Can you hear me?
I have soft pastels.
Yeah, soft pastels you need, and you have normal crayons too, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so for tomorrow, you have to keep your normal crayons ready. Your normal crayons, a A4 size paper like this, preferably 3 to 4 sheets. Your white chalk, your black canvas panel, and then we'll start with our session tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So we'll wind up for today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, is it a break?
You'll have to ask Juliet for it.
No, we can have a break for 5 minutes and we'll start on the next session, okay? If you want a break. Lindsay, you're stopping now?
I think I'll just stop the video.
Yeah. Thank you, Vignesh and Lindsay, for explaining from tomorrow onwards. We'll be.
I want to ask her how to make this.
Be ready with this canvas panels tomorrow, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Vignesh.
Bye.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something.
Tomorrow. For a break for 5 minutes, you can take a break for 5 minutes and we'll start with Zoom.
Somebody was asking a question. Somebody was asking a question.
Yeah, tell me, I'm still here. Just tell me. You can even ask me through WhatsApp. I'll be available at WhatsApp, okay? Is it okay? Can I leave?
Ma'am?
Yeah, ask. Yeah.
Tell me. Who's
Ma'am, is
it?
this okay?
First one, the panel, what you said, first one we should color with the black white.
Add another. What is your name?
My name is Yash Kumar.
Your name is
Yes. Shwin.
Yashwin.
Yash Kumar.
Yash Mac.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Show me your canvas, baby. Just show me your canvas.
I don't have the things now, but
Okay, so do it. Yeah. Tell me.
I just a doubt that first one we should do with the
Baby, I can't understand. Talk loudly. A bit more loudly.
first one we should do with the panel. What we should color will be black color, and the
Yes.
second one will be the white.
Exactly. First panel will look completely black, and the second one is completely white panel. You're going to put white empire on it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It's okay now?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
I have a doubt.
Ma'am, how much we should put tempera?
Just a bit of a quantity to cover that area, baby.
Okay,
Don't
ma'am.
put a whole lot of it. You saw my thing, right? You know, I just took a bit of it.
Ma'am, 1 spoon is okay?
Sorry?
Ma'am, 1 spoon is okay?
A bit is okay. No worries. A bit is okay.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, is this okay?
See, you all can send me all this through WhatsApp. If you don't take a break now, you can't start with your next section and this will just get long, okay? I'm always available in WhatsApp. You can send me your panel. If you have any doubt, you can even call me. No issues. I'll be available, okay? Take a break for now and come back to your next session.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So can I leave? Limnesh will leave, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Jinsi.
I will leave. Yeah, correct.
Okay, kids, just take a break for 5 minutes and get back on the floor for Zumba. Okay, we'll start exactly by 12:20. 12:15. Okay?
Okay? No. Anyway, you want to paint again.
Black color no white today. No hopes in it.
One more.
We start in 5 minutes. They just finished one session.
Okay.
Sharp by 12:20 will start. Okay.
Hi, hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Are you ready, kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So get on the floor, all of you. Ma'am is ready. Ma'am is just waiting for you all. Another 1 minute, we'll start. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And all of you, please mute your mics. Okay.
Ma'am, can you wait for me?
Yeah. Just come fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now you all are there.
Yes, sir.
Preeti ma'am, you can start.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hi. Hello all. Welcome back.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can hear you.
Thank you. Thank you, dear. Okay. Let's start Zumba. Okay. Okay, you all are ready? Ready? Okay, friends. So shall I start? Okay, I'll play music. Okay, let's start. I'll play music. One minute.
Ma'am, the song is breaking. Ma'am, the song is breaking.
Breaking? 1 minute. Let me check again.
No, ma'am, it is okay.
Okay. Let me play again. Okay. I'll play with again a back end. See, first 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 8 times. Okay, then again you play with music.